It was a pathetic sight today, Mum. If I had known, the dog wouldn't have died.
No, Damien, you just used a dangling modifier. And that is wrong.
Really? What is a modifier and what makes it to dangle, Mum?
A modifier is a word, phrase, or clause that can change, alter, limit, or give more information to something else in a sentence. A dangling modifier occurs when what a modifier modifies is not clearly stated in a sentence.
Oh. Can you give me an example?
Good. Let's consider the sentence you used the other time. If you had known, the dog wouldn't have died. The adverbial clause, if I had known, is expected to modify an action the I in the sentence performs. To fix this, you can say if I had known, I wouldn't have let the dog die. Now that's a correct sentence.
How do I fix dangling modifiers?
Good question, son. Always name the appropriate or logical doer of the action as the subject of the main clause. For example, consider this sentence: having arrived late for practice, a written excuse was needed. The question is who arrived late? This sentence says that the written excuse arrived late. To revise, decide who actually arrived late. Then you can have having arrived late for practice, the team captain needed a written excuse. That is absolutely correct.
Thanks so much, Mum. From now on, I will stay wary of dangling modifiers.
You're welcome, son.